Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for all things automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. If you're passionate about understanding the inner workings of your vehicle and keeping it in top-notch condition, you're in the right place. From in-depth reviews to step-by-step tutorials, we've got it all covered. So, before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Programming all keys lost for a Nissan Ariya 2022 with the Lonsdor K518 Pro and the Nissan BCM40 pin cable involves a few precise steps. Here's a detailed tutorial to guide you through the process. Required tools: Lonsdor K518 Pro, Nissan BCM40 pin cable. Supported models: Nissan Ariya 2022, Nissan Rogue T33 2021, Nissan Pathfinder 2021, Nissan Sylphy B18 2021, Mitsubishi Outlander 2021. Steps to program all keys lost. 1. Locate the BCM module. The BCM body control module is located in front of the assistant driver seat. 2. Disconnect BCM connector. Unplug the BCM connector from the module. 3. Connect Nissan BCM40 pin cable. Connect the BCM40 pin cable to the BCM. Plug the female port of the cable to the disconnected BCM port. Connect the male port of the cable to the female port that was removed from the BCM. 4. Connect to Lonsdor K518 Pro. Use the main test cable to connect the BCM40 pin cable with the Lonsdor K518 Pro. 5. Lonsdor K518 Pro setup. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the emergency indicators. Ensure the car is in P, park, or neutral gear. Verify that the steering column is in an unlocked state. 6. Immo data reading. On the Lonsdor K518 Pro, navigate to Immo and Remote-Nissan- select from Vehicle-Asia-Ariya- 2022 onwards - all smart key lost. The device will start reading the immobilizer data. 7. Read key ID. Place the original key, with the logo facing upwards, to the start button. Do not remove the key from the ignition or press any button on the key. The device will read the key information. 8. Extract PIN code. Choose Cancel to proceed to the next step. The Lonsdor K518 Pro will pull the 28-digit PIN of the vehicle through the immobilizer data. This PIN code is required for programming when all keys are lost. 9. Program the key. Place the key to the start button again. The K518 Pro will program the key successfully. If programming another key, press OK to continue and repeat the steps for each additional key. 10. Reinstall gateway modules. Unplug the connector and reinstall the vehicle's gateway modules. 11. Final testing. Connect the device to the OBD port and turn the ignition on. Test the new keys to ensure they are working correctly. Following these steps will help you successfully program all keys lost for a Nissan Ariya 2022 using the Lonsdor K518 Pro and the Nissan BCM40 pin cable. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts or any questions you might have. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and share this video with fellow automobile enthusiasts. Together, we can make the world of car diagnostics and programming a bit easier for everyone. Until next time, take care and happy diagnosing.